this severe drought and shortage of food and water.
Musemanio wa Mangabana ya makiende ikundi stari cia thirikari na thirikari guteithia kaunti igumiire ni ng'aragu.
Tunasisitiza ama tuuliza serikali kuu kuharakisha kazi ambayo National Drought Management Authority yafanya kusaidia wananchi wa Kenya.
You are talking about the possibility of significant food insecurity.
Kuringana na riboti iria iriga kurekererio ni rubonge rwa kuburana na ng'aragu gukinyira riu andu milioni 1.1 kuma kaunti 12 nimo magumeiro ni ng'aragu.
Right now people are hungry, our health facilities are overburdened, and we need therefore to say let us come together, reduce too much being to the people just to share with them the problems they are having, but to go to them with some solution.
Odoyo ukionania kumana na kuma kwa mimera iria muingi wibokaga bindi ta ino riri riua rithiete na mbere kuthandana miene itiganite waagi wa mbura uriguo gitumi kinene kiria gitumite mogaruruku maya mothe monekane.
In Embu County we have the lower part of Embu, very north, very south. About 150,000 people are affected.
Tuungane ndio tusije tukaleta usaidizi wakati tumechelewa na kumekuwa na maafa.
Gukiri uguo ni ihoya rikitio ni atongoria kuma thirikari cia county makienda ng'aragu iria gumeire muingi itige kuoyo na itheru. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Masi Wadia wa Muriithi.
Consultations that we have had as governors from the 13